Let's start. Lots of young players have triumphed at United, so why can't it happen to me? I'm not worried I'm young. It's an incentive to do the best I can. There's no point in making predictions. It's not worth speculating because nothing is set in stone and things change all the time in football. Today there are opportunities that no one knows if they will come round again in the future. When you are nominated for the best player in Europe, the Ballon d'Or, playing in the Champions League, there is so much pressure. You don't know what will happen. This pressure is inside you. You always have it. I have practically no private life. I'm already used to this and ready for it. Yes, sometimes it is hard, but it is the choice I made. I was ironing my own clothes when I was 2 years old. My mental strength goes back to those days. I am not the humblest person in the world, I admit that. Why lie? I'm not going to be a hypocrite and say the opposite of what I think, like some others do. To be honest, there are no problems between me and Messi. People have their own opinions about who they think is the better player. It is what it is, but there is no rivalry beyond games and what happens on the pitch. Winning, that's the most important. To me, it's as simple as that. There are people out there who hate me and who say I'm arrogant, vain, and whatever. That's all part of my success. I am made to be the best. My father always taught me that when you help other people, then God will give you double. And that's what has really happened to me. When I have helped other people who are in need, God has helped me more. I don't have to show anything to anyone. There is nothing to prove. I'm aware that whatever the circumstances, there will always be speculation about me. I never promise anything. I don't promise anything to my mom. I don't promise anything to the supporters. It obviously bothers people when Real Madrid win. It makes them jealous. There isn't a level playing field. I know I'm a good professional. I know that no one's harder on me than myself. And that's never going to change under any circumstances. To me, being the best means proving it in different countries and championships. I have my flaws too, but I am a professional who doesn't like to miss or lose. In football, I don't have a lot of friends. The people who I really trust, there are not many. Most of the time, I'm alone. Every season is a new challenge to me, and I always set out to improve in terms of games, goals, assists. I'm not going to change the world. You're not going to change the world, but we can help. We can all help. When you lose a person you love so much, surviving the loss is difficult. Many people look at me and think they know me, but they don't at all. This is the real me. I am a humble person, a feeling person, a person who cares about others, who wants to help others. Talent without working hard is nothing. I see myself as the best footballer in the world. If you don't believe you are the best, then you will never achieve all that you are capable of. Maybe they hate me because I'm too good. They always have the stones in their hands when I speak. I am not a saint, but I'm not a devil either. I am not a perfectionist, but I like to feel that things are done well. More important than that, I feel an endless need to learn, to improve, to evolve. Don't let small obstacles get in the way of being victorious. Remember, you are stronger than the challenges you face. I see football as an art and all players as artists. If you are a top artist, the last thing you would do is paint a picture somebody else has already painted. I don't want to be compared to anyone. I'd like to impose my own style, play, and do the best for myself and for the club here. We cannot spend our lives obsessed with what other people think about us. It's impossible to live like that. Not even God managed to please the entire world. The most important thing is the family. Keep your family healthy, good, and take care of your family, because this is the most important thing in the world. Talent isn't everything. You can have it from the cradle, but it is necessary to learn the trade to be the best. I feel endless need to learn, to improve, to evolve, not only to please the coach and the fans, but also to feel satisfied with myself. If you don't believe you are the best, then you will never achieve all that you are capable of. Dedication, hard work all the time, and belief. We don't want to tell our dreams, we want to show them. I never promise anything. I don't promise anything to my mom. I don't promise anything to the supporters. I promise myself. We should make the most of life, enjoy it, because that's the way it is. I don't look to the side or behind me, I just look ahead. If you want to be the best, you must learn from the best. The harder you work, the luckier you get. I'm not going to change the world. You're not going to change the world, but we can help. We can all help. I think sometimes the best training is to rest. Talent without working hard is nothing. Your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable.